Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed my wigs in under 5 minutes. So if that's something that you're into, definitely stay tuned. I've been wearing wigs forever, for a very long time now, and I'm so tired. Let me say it again, I am tired of the whole wig cap, freeze spray. You got blow dry for like 20 minutes. You gotta put the band. I'm tired of it. So over time, I developed a process, a routine that actually helps me install my wigs much faster and actually stays intact for, I would say, 24 to 48 hours, because I only do like one layer, maybe 2 layers. It's actually not installed right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that on camera. So some things that you're going to need for this is, first you're gonna need a lace spray, a melting spray of your choice. I'm gonna be using the Wigdealer Melting Spray. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is like an 8.5 on the whole meter. I mean, I'm sure there's better, but this one does not leave like any type of film on my skin or on my lace. So that's why I like to use this one, and it dries so quickly. So this one I definitely recommend. You're also gonna need a blow dryer. This is the Silverbird Kane Pro. Honestly, just any regular blow dryer that has a cold setting would do. You're also gonna need some hair clips. These are from Your Hair Bar. You need these to like push back your hair. So you're gonna need one of these. I believe this is just a dye brush, but I use this to press the lace. I use it to press the lace into the glue, and it works phenomenal. This, oh my god, you guys, it works so well for pressing the lace into your skin. You're gonna need a scrunchie. And lastly, the wig. So the wig is from Your Hair Bar. I believe this is 12 inches, but I cut it, so maybe it's like 11 inch right now. This is a 13 by 4, I believe, lace front bob wig. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the details down below. It's very important that your wig has those 2 clips in the back. That's very important. If your wig does not have that, then I suggest you just like take an elastic band like this, sew it from ear to ear. Okay, so let's get into this video. All right, you guys, so the first thing you want to do is put your wig on your head. You want to position it to where you want it to be. This is where the clips come in handy. You want to use them to push back your hair so that you have the hair out the way. After that, take the 2 clips in the back and start to clip them together. This is very important. Don't want to miss this step. Doing this helps the wig stay flat on your head, so that way it doesn't move, it doesn't go anywhere, it just stays put. These angles ain't the best. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm really sorry. But the next thing you're gonna want to do is take your scrunchie. So now take your scrunchie and tie those clips together. I don't know how to really, I'm gonna try to show it in another clip, but you just want to tie it together. And what this does is make the wig like even more flat. It's like security for the clips. I don't know if that makes sense, but so now it's time to lay the wig down. You know, I'm just putting more clips to get the hair out the way. Like I said, I'm using the Wigdealer spray. So the reason why this is only 5 minutes is because I'm only spraying or laying down the sides of my head. Because like I said, the middle and the middle of my wig of my legs is already secured, but we have to secure down the sides. I mean, you don't have to if you don't live in a windy city, but I do, so I secure my, okay, anyway, so I put the spray on my forehead. I don't put it in my hair, I only put it on my forehead. I spray it like 1 or 2 times, and then I start blow drying. I use the dye brush to lay the lace down as I'm blow drying. Again, very important. And yes, y'all, I do have a bald spot in the front of my head. I was plucking a little bit too much. I was going for that arrogant Tay look, but I ended up with alopecia, so just ignore that. And I do the same thing on the other side. I sprayed the temples of my forehead 1 or 2 times, not too much. So I start to put the lace down on the spray, and I take my dye brush to hold down the lace, and I start blow drying. By the way, I only blow dry for a good 30 seconds to 1 minute. I like to push it to 1 minute because that way I'm able to get maximal long-term hold. So 1 minute on both sides, and honestly, that is it. Yeah, that is everything. I secure the back of the wig down with the clips and the scrunchie, and then I secure the sides, which by the way is optional. It's not optional for me, but it can be optional for you. I secure the sides with the Wigdealer spray and using my dye brush and my blow dryer for 1 minute on both sides, and that is the whole 5-minute installation. That is the whole 5-minute installation. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below if there's a spray that you like, that you prefer over the Wigdealer spray. Tell me, let me know so I can go try it out. I like to try out new things. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye you guys.